Hello everybody, welcome back for another episode of Bodycam Reactions. So this lady was speeding down the highway pretty fast. I think she was going 30 over, and then she got pulled over. So I'm going to be doing kind of like a play-by-play of what's going on legally. And then if you stick around to the middle of the video, you're going to see the sobriety test. And then by the end of the video, you can see the arrestee. She's getting frustrated that she's going to go to jail, and she starts to belittle and demean the cop. And so if you want to see that, you can stick around to the end. So hope you guys enjoy.
Hi, license insurance registration. Alright, do you know why you're being stopped? Okay, do you know what the speed limit is? It's 55.
So a trick for why they ask you, do you know why you've been stopped, is they're trying to get you to admit what crime you committed. So that's what's going on there. So it's much better to say, I don't know.
Where are you coming from?
My parents.
What, Kenilworth, New Jersey? Okay. Whose is this?
Is that Rob? I have a couple.
Okay. Who are they?
Rob Rieger, that's my cousin, and then I have Joe, who's my uncle.
Okay. Alright, just sit tight.
Where'd you say you're coming from? Okay, where are you heading to now?
We're going to Montague, New Jersey, hour ago.
Okay. You guys been drinking?
Here still?
You've been drinking this evening? Okay. How much you have to drink?
For 2 Johnny Walkers.
Okay. Alright. Alright, just hang tight.
So they're, by admitting they've been drinking, they're giving the police the probable cause they need, or at least some of it, to at least moving there close to having enough probable cause to arrest. So we need a probable cause under the Fourth Amendment to arrest someone. So that's what they're doing right now, is they're trying to collect enough probable cause evidence to arrest her for DUI. So by voluntarily saying, yes, I've been drinking, that helps the police in making their case that she should get arrested for DUI. So I've never really seen the case where the person admits to drinking and it helps their case in some way.
Yeah, man. Breathe right in my face. I can pull it out, doctor.
Yeah, it's hard to tell whether it's her or him, but...
Yeah. That's why I was like staring at her. I'll pull her out. What's her name? Stacey, can you just do me a favor and step out of the vehicle real quick so I can talk to you back here?
I'm barefoot, is that okay?
That's fine. You don't have any shoes or sandals or anything like that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I mean, if you want to put them on, I don't know what's on the side of the road, so...
Yeah, I have wedges, so I...
Okay, that's fine. Only reason why I want to speak to you out here is because myself and my partner can smell an odor of alcohol coming in the vehicle. I appreciate your boyfriend was admitting to me.
He's my husband.
Oh, husband, I'm sorry. Admitted to it, but just so I can make sure that you're okay to drive.
Yeah,
all right?
absolutely.
All right, just back to this vehicle because I don't want you to get hit. Okay. You said you're heading to
Montague, New
Montague?
Jersey.
Do you have anything to drink this evening?
Yes, I did.
What you
I
have?
had 2 glasses of red wine.
How long ago?
Peter Noir. We met my mom at like 4 o'clock p.m.
Okay. And when did you leave?
When did we
When
leave?
did you leave where you come from?
Well, we went to their house in Kenilworth, so 4 to, I don't know what time it is, maybe like 5-ish, we got back to the house. So I had a glass of Pinot Noir, and then we got back to the house. I got another glass because I'm pregnant, so
Okay. How far along are you?
a month and a half.
What'd you have to eat this evening?
I had rice, I had chicken, and I had a salad on the side.
So 2 glasses of wine with dinner, pretty much?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You stagnant? Okay. Yeah. Okay. All that we're doing is just running just a quick field sobriety test. Do you have any objections to me running through a quick sobriety test to make sure you're okay to drive?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. I mean, I appreciate the honesty. Like I said, and like this officer said, I got you doing 85 and a 55.
Yeah.
All right. Based on the strong odor of alcohol coming in the vehicle, I just want to.
Just to remember, she had the Fifth Amendment right to remain silent, so she didn't have to give the police all this information on her to help her get arrested. And now she's about to do the sobriety test, which they're obviously just using to get more probable cause against her to arrest her. So, in hindsight, it obviously didn't help her, but I don't. I mean, it's hard for this to clear you once you've already said you've been drinking, unless it's like flawless, because they're just looking for anything to further support their cause that they can arrest you.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Perfect. Timestamp balance test.
Okay.
All right. The next series of field sobriety tests I'm going to put you through is called the walk-in turn. Yes. Do you have any injuries or ailments that I need to be aware of that? Okay, we'll do it on this side. I just don't want you to get hit.
Dying.
All right,
I thought I was going to get run over, you guys.
We wouldn't let that happen. Don't worry.
Do you know the anxiety attack I just had?
Oh, I know. Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Do you have any injuries or any ailments that I need to be aware of that would prohibit you from doing my test?
What's your test?
It's a walk and turn. I'm going to explain it. I have to ask, do you have any injuries to your legs or would prevent you from walking or anything like that that would...
Thank you. Okay.
Okay. Do you have any of that? So the next test that I'm going to have you do is called the walk and turn.
Okay.
All right? So I want you in the starting position. The starting position is your right foot in front of your left foot, just like so, with your hands at your side. Okay? So just like this, heel to toe.
Okay.
And stay in this position until I tell you to do so, okay?
Do I start now?
Nope, you just go into this position right now. Just like that. With your hands at your side, just stay like that until I tell you to begin the test, okay? I will continue to inform you of the test, all right? From this position, when I tell you to, okay, you're going to take 9 consecutive heel-to-toe steps, okay, counting out loud, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, I went up to 6 or 7 just for demonstration first and the location of the highway. Okay, when you get to 9, you're going to take short, choppy steps, turn around, and do 9 consecutive steps, heel to toe, back, counting out loud, back to the where you started. Okay?
Okay.
All right, do you understand my instructions?
I totally understand. I don't think this is long enough for 9, so can I... Yep, you need to back up this. Okay. All right, so 9...
9 consecutive heel to toe steps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn around now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This way again.
Okay.
Would you like one more time?
Nope. That's fine.
Gonna stand right here so he can do it.
All right. The final test I'm going to put you through is called the one-legged stand. Again.
So she doesn't seem to be concerned at all. Like when she's going through these tests, kind of nonchalantly, just going through, not too worried about it. She doesn't appear to be concerned at all. I think maybe she has some confusion that, and later she'll be shocked when they want to arrest her. But I think there's some confusion. Maybe some people have. They think that if you blow under the legal limit, that means you can't get a DUI. Well, actually, you can get a DUI even if you blow under it because people respond differently to alcohol, right? So some people can be not safe to drive, even though they're blow under the limit. So that could be some part of the confusion here, where someone thinks, "Oh, I'm under the limit, therefore I can't get a DUI." Well, yeah, actually, you can. It's so under the limit, you can still get a DUI if, based on the test and all the other facts available, it supports that you shouldn't be driving. It's just when you're over the limit, there's basically no defense at that point, except for a weird case that almost would never come up, which is like someone you somehow became involuntarily intoxicated, and that almost never happens in real life.
So on the leg of your choosing, what I want you to do first is put your feet together just like so, just like me, hands at your side. And stay in this position until I tell you to start the test, okay? From this position, you're going to pick the leg of your choosing, raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground, point your toe forward, stare at the tip of your toe, and count out loud. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, until I tell you to stop, okay? If you put your foot down, just continue from where you left off,
Okay.
okay?
Where you going? A little uneasy right there.
Okay.
So, okay. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 12, 1,000, 13, 1,000, 14, 1,000, 15, 1,000, 16, 1,000, 17, 1,000, 18, 1,000, 19, 1,000, 20, 1,000, 21, 1,000, 22, 1,000, 23, 1,000, 24, 1,000, 25, 1,000, 26, 1,000, 27, 1,000, 28, 1,000, 29, 1,000, 30, 1,000,
Okay. All right, you can stop.
1,000.
Okay, you can stop. All right, you know your alphabet, right?
Yes, not backwards, so don't.
I
tried it. I've done it.
I don't know my alphabet backwards either. It's very hard. I
Like,
completely
please don't do that.
I completely agree.
I tried it, like.
But
No.
you know your alphabet, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Starting from E and ending at S.
Jesus Christ.
Okay?
Okay.
Without singing it, I would like you to recite the alphabet. Okay?
E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S.
Okay. Again, how much did you have to drink tonight? Because I can really smell it coming off.
My husband says the same. I have one glass of wine. He's like, "Did you have a glass of wine?" I'm a wine drinker, so
That's
yes.
fine. You had 2 glasses of wine within the last...
Pinot Noir.
Okay.
Josh, by the way, great bottle.
Okay. Based off of the odor coming from you right now, you're driving. Let me talk to my partner real quick, because right now...
Can you guys follow us home? Is
We
there
don't
any
do
way
that.
to test it?
Nope, just stay right there. Alright, do me a favor, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
Really? And
The final test what we're going to do is a breathalyzer back at the station. Okay, and that'll actually give me an accurate depiction of how much alcohol you actually have in your system.
okay.
Okay, so turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Is there anyone I could call?
Nope.
What are my rights?
Your right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. A court attorney, one will be present. One will be appointed for you. Anytime during questioning, you can have your attorney present. And anytime during questioning, you can stop answering questions. Do you understand your rights?
No, I do not.
Okay.
What don't you understand? I don't understand.
Okay, so I'm just going to talk about the last 2 legal issues in this video. So Miranda warnings, right to remain silent. So they're supposed to read you your rights to remain silent. Once there's a custodial interrogation. Custodial means a reasonable person would believe they're not free to leave, which obviously she's not. And interrogation is any questioning that the officer should know would be could be incriminating. So yes, at this point they should be reading her Miranda warnings, which is what they're doing. Yeah, I mean, it's not really that pertinent in this case. The other issue I wanted to talk about is resisting arrest. So watch the way she's going to act in this case. Just like to point out how easy it is for the police to add resisting arrest. So even passive resistance of arrest, they can add resisting arrest. So passive resistance means a nonviolent physical act or failure to act that is intended to impede, hinder, or delay the effect of the arrest. So, I mean, so failure to act. So pretty much, if you don't do what the police say, you know what I mean, they could add on resisting arrest. So it's very easy for them to add that on. I like to point that out here.
At this point, put your hands behind your back because you are under arrest. So that right to
Brian, I'm under arrest. I'm under arrest because they're suspecting me of.
Do you have shoes?
Stay in the car.
Do you have shoes? Do you have shoes? Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Brian.
Come back here. She will get everything. Come on. Don't. It'll be an additional charge. Come on. Let's go.
I understand that.
We're not gonna. No, you're not gonna fight me. Let's go. Back to the car. 5 to headquarters. 1 in custody. Let's go. You want to put your shoes on? You either put your shoes on or we're walking back barefoot. It's the last warning I'm giving you.
Put her in the back of the car.
Let's go.
Okay,
Come on.
listen.
No, there's no listening. Come on. If you make you, you're getting resisting. And I don't want to do that.
How
Okay?
old are you again? Are you like a new cop?
I am not.
You really seem like a rookie.
I'm not.
No, you really are.
No, I'm not.
No, you really
Been
are.
on the job for a while.
You really are.
Okay, that's fine.
I could feel you shaking. Like it's.
I'm not
it's
shaking
not,
at all.
No, it's okay.
That's fine.
I don't know. Oh my God. You know how much crime there? Like how much real crime there is?
You got nothing on you, correct?
No.
Okay. Lean back from me, please.